Go. Look at it. No way! The power is on! Oh! We have power! And there you go. Oh my gosh.
Got some coffee though.
So, our power's out. Went out about 4 a.m. last night. It's about 16 degrees outside, which is out of this world for Texas. We didn't really prepare the best. We don't really have a lot of food to eat that doesn't require electricity. Since we don't have coffee, and since I do have an outlet in my car, we're gonna take our coffee machine to my car to brew some coffee and then go on about our day. My car is drenched. All right, you ready? We got our coffee machine ready to go. We found out that the grocery store nearby is actually open when we thought it was closed, so there's some hope.
We're gonna walk.
Yeah, so we're gonna walk. We're gonna have a fun day. Okay, let's do this. All right, coffee's ready to go. So am I. All right, here we go. Ready?
Sweet.
That don't sound good.
No.
It just turned off. Mission failed. No coffee. Coffee machine needed more power, and the car didn't have it. It's a sad day. So we just got back from the grocery store. Once we got to Randall's, there was an hour-long wait, basically a line because of COVID restrictions. We finally got some food. We were not prepared for this, as you can tell. Caroline had the fantastic idea to take a bath, so I think that's what we're gonna do. Feels like we're in a scene of like Ghostbusters. We're using this as a light right now.
Did y'all hear that? What was that? There's something moving right here. Right there. Oh, something's barking. It's running. It's running. It's running. Oh, there's two of them. Did you see that? Oh my God. We gotta get out of here. We gotta get out. Doug, say goodnight. Say goodnight. Yeah.
Day 2. No power still. And it's cold. The bath we took yesterday ended up lasting like 15 minutes because it's so cold in the apartment that the water got cold.
I'm stretching. Ow. Say cheese. Say cheese.
So I actually thought that I would never take advantage of this. Never thought there would be really a reason for it, but the drone batteries are coming in clutch right now. Might as well charge hers too. So I was just telling Caroline that I'm actually starting to enjoy my day. I don't know if Caroline is though.
It's better than it was yesterday.
Yeah.
It's not bad. It definitely will humble you a little bit. And we're gonna make a fork.
Trying to make it balanced right now. Hopefully this doesn't mess anything up. Caroline even brought us a little plant in here. Maybe like the iPad or my MacBook right here. Watch some Netflix off of the hot spot later. The idea is to conserve as much heat or body heat in here as possible. It already feels warmer in here. Look at this. Dang. That's such a clutch little light, babe. Nice.
Put some picture frames in there. Do you have the one by the stove on the right?
I can't believe we're decorating it here. Oh my gosh. What you think, Ellie? You like it? Babe, our patio's a mess.
Huh?
Our patio's a mess.
I know. I'm about to go out there and dump this fruit out a little bit more.
We found more lights. Our neighbors are so awesome. One of our neighbors has a fryer and he's basically frying food for the whole neighborhood. So we got some fries. You can't really see it, but we got some fried chicken underneath. This fried chicken is fire.
So chill. Earlier, Ashton was like, "Is there water and beer?" I was like, "Well, I think so."
We're down to this. I'd say we're pretty set.
Yeah.
If you have not ever mixed rum with orange Fanta, do it now and thank me later. Crawford Balk.
Crawford Book.
Cheers.
Cheers, babe.
Netflix. I'm thankful, but I also feel like a little spoiled brat.
Yeah, me too.
People 1,000 years ago would like look at this and just
Please
think
laugh.
to themselves like, what is this world coming to? Well, not really much more to document. I'll tune in with y'all tomorrow. Good night.
Good night.
Day 3. And what do you know? It is snowing again. Still no shower, still no power.
No coffee.
I'm tired of this shit.
Yeah.
I am over it. This is not fun. Like, snow is cool when we had electricity, but not when we don't. The fort is still doing okay on a lighter note. This thing actually kept us pretty freaking warm throughout the night. Ignore that. Yeah, it was probably at least a good, I don't know, with body heat and everything, a good 10 degrees warmer in there. If we didn't have this right here, we would be struggling because it's just gradually getting colder and colder inside. Right now we're at 57 degrees. Yesterday we were at 59. Apparently some neighbors are at like 45 degrees in their apartment, so counting our blessings at this point. I just want to shower and I want some water. We have one sparkling water left and it's kind of stressing me out. We're also running low on food and it's not supposed to really warm up until 2 days from now. So we might have to make a Randall's trip. I'm so sliding. We thought we were going to go to Randall's. There's no way. There's absolutely no way. Unless we're just going to starve ourselves out there and die. And fall to our death.
This is too icy.
Ellie? Oh, excuse you. Lila is... Whole family's in here. Go for me. Go. Look at it. No way! No way! The power is on! Nice. And there you go. Oh my gosh.
Got some coffee though.
I think that might have been 5 minutes.
Not even. That's a good sign though.
Yeah, it's a good sign. It's at least good news to know that it came on for a little bit.
Maybe that means they're working on it.
Yeah.
Hey, at least I filled up my water when I did.
Oh, it tastes good. Ooh, we got some water. If we would have went on our grocery trip, we probably would still be out there fighting our way through. The reason why we needed to go was to get some water. And we just got some water, so. Whew. If anything, we got some coffee out of it. So I'd say that was pretty successful. And we got some clean water, enough to at least get us through the day.
Yeah, for sure.
Thankful.
Yeah.
Whoever turned it on for 5 minutes, shout out to you.
I don't even think it was the full 5 minutes. I think it was maybe 3.5.
Yeah, but this coffee is slapping.
Yeah. I'm so glad I turned that on.
Cheers.
Cheers. So yummy.
So it's currently about 7 p.m. and we've been receiving messages from Austin Energy that places are being restored, which is giving us hope. But on the map, it says that our area has no outage, which we clearly still have an outage. So don't really know what's going on. The neighboring apartments apparently have power now. So hopefully we're just not getting screwed over here. Ain't been doing much today except for just reading and chilling in our fort, which is the most badass thing ever. If it wasn't for this fort, this would be miserable.
We're about to get the party started.
About to get the party started, man. You do not take shots of rum. That is a no-no. Take shots of rum.
I dare you to take a shot.
Of El Jimador? I'll take a shot of El Jimador.
We have some lime. Do you want me to cut up a lime for you or no?
Yeah. Shout out to all my tequila peeps. This is my favorite tequila. It's the best bang for its buck. Just cut me up a lime. You almost just stabbed my eye. But who cares about that? It's a small target anyway. Why am I doing this?
I don't know.
You're doing it too then?
No.
Yep. Alright.
Do you want tahini on your wrist or anything?
No. Cheers.
That'll warm you up.
Yeah, that'll warm me up.
Did you shut the garage?
Ooh, okay, hit me.
Yes.
This is our last beer. I'm purposely not looking at what I look like right now. There was once upon a time where I wanted to bleach my hair, so I guess this is what it would kind of look like. What are your thoughts?
Ready for some food? Ready for another meal of a sandwich? This time with chicken breast. We stay on the routine, a turkey for lunch and a chicken breast for dinner. And chips, lots of hot fries, we're almost out. We ran out of the hot chips for Caroline.
Okay, bye. Good morning again. It is now day 4. Still no electricity. I think we're coming on about 104, 105 hours total. This is really starting to affect me. I'm starting to really feel dreadful about this. It's starting to get really cold inside. It says it's only 56 degrees, but it feels like 30. Austin has reported to restore all energy yesterday. For the most part, I think I read online there's like 3% of Austin still has no power. Caroline called Domino's today and they said that they're open. So we're gonna go to Randall's later, which is right across the street from Domino's, and get a pizza on our way home. Hopefully we can get some water. If it wasn't for sandwiches, we would not be surviving this. It's supposed to get warmer today. I think the high is about 44, 41 degrees at 4 p.m. Ready for this shit to be over with. Had to make sure before I take my baby down that road that we're not gonna get stuck. The road's on a decline, so a lot of people have been getting stuck on it. And I'm just not about that life.
No.
So all this right here was all ice. You see how it goes down this road? There's probably a good, I don't know, 6, 7, 8 cars stuck on this road because they couldn't get it down or up. So we just made it out of the grocery store. Thankfully they had some water in there. Didn't have any bread, didn't have any lunch meat, but at least we can hydrate because we've been running on E. Domino's is opening up here in 5 minutes. We're gonna order some food. Might have to get enough for dinner too, just in case we don't have power because we're almost out of bread. But counting our blessings because we were able to drive to the grocery store. We eating good today. Smell those wings. Looks better than what we've been eating.
Belly.
Let's see how far you can throw it.
That's it.
Ooh, whoa! Oh, dude, just went right there. Whoa! Oh! Whoa! That was better.
Get done.
At least today's a better day. I'm talking to the camera. I don't know if you can hear it, but like everything's thawing out. Everything out here basically understands that we all just got our asses handed to this week. Man, There's some great people out here. I was walking back to our apartment after sitting in the car, charging batteries and doing some reading. And as I was about to get back to my apartment, this lady, this neighbor who lives in the complex, yelled at me to see if we needed some food. And she gave us a whole thing of pasta. Look at that. And it's nice and warm. Like, my heart just feels full. And my tummy's about to feel the same way.
Are you trying to get me drunk?
Cheers. Good morning again. It's another day, and I'm wearing the same thing, so I'm sure you can guess what I'm about to say. Day 6. Day 6 or day 5? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 5 days. Feels like day 100. Day 5. Still no power. Man, this has got, the power's just got to come on today, right? It's Saturday. The power went out Tuesday at 4 a.m. Just has to come on today. Like, good Lord. Apparently we're of the about 3% in Austin that still doesn't have power. We're so lucky, right?
Oh, like twist it back outside.
We have power! Party! Oh my god, it feels so good to see these lights on.
Heck yeah.
This is the messiest our place has ever been.
Cheers.
Cheers.
It's time to say our farewells to the good old fort. It was fun while it lasted. But I'll have to say, having power might be just a little more fun. We got power! Yeah! I feel like the dogs can tell too that the power's on. They're like, yeah! Even though nothing in their life changes. Thank you for taking good care of us, Fort. Time to say goodbye.
Oh no, look at that. I don't know how that came off.
She might have broke it. Alright,
like
time to get busy and clean up. Y'all see that? Finally got a shower in after 5 days with no shower. 5.5 days with no shower. Feels amazing. Caroline's heating up barbecue. Right before we found out that our power was back on, we got some barbecue just in case we needed something for dinner. So thankfully we can heat that up now. If there's anything that I learned from this week-long experience is that power can be taken from you literally with a blink of an eye, and it can affect everything in your life. Just a reminder to be thankful for what you have, for the small things like a microwave, warm water,
Refrigerator. Freezer.
freezer,
Meat.
food, to be able to clean.
Just to be able to turn a light on when you go in the closet is like
Yeah.
so makes such a difference.
Oh, thank God we have power now. The whole time I was cleaning my hair, I was just like, Anyways,
Bye-bye.
what an experience this was. We're about to devour this barbecue, so thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video with power. Thanks, guys. Good night. Bye-bye.